We're the Boys and Girls Club of Hilton Head Island with Coach Gene. Good to have you with us.
Thank you. Good morning.
On our newscast, and we're talking about Santa's workshop that is coming up on December 20th. But let's kind of take a step back. Boys and Girls Club of the Lowcountry is the umbrella of several clubs, right, Coach
Yes,
Gene?
ma'am. That is correct. Right now we have obviously the Hilton Head Island Boys and Girls Club. We have Bluffton Boys and Girls Club, and we also have school sites that I believe is around 10 school sites right now between the Beaufort and Jasper County area. And we are actually moving up to Colleton River in the new year.
Right.
I mean, not Colleton River, but Colleton County. I'm sorry,
right.
in the new year. So yeah, we have a lot of clubs in the Lowcountry, and we are impacting a lot of lives daily.
And so for children 6 to 18?
Children ages 6 to 18 years old, male and female, have an opportunity to come through the doors here at Boys and Girls Club, and they are able to do all kind of creative things here at the club. And it's just a really safe place, positive and fun space for them to come to after school and during summer camp.
And you're a sports guy.
I'm a sports guy. Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right. Speaking of sports and exercise, we got all these bikes back here for the Santa's Workshop, and you have wonderful partners, right,
Yes,
Coach?
ma'am. So right now we have about 75 to 85 community partners. We've been working on this project since early August, and our clientele and the local businesses in the community have been such an amazing blessing. And we're just very grateful for everybody who has partnered up, and the blessings continue to flow in. We have a lot of women's groups that are chipped in. It's just so many restaurants, local businesses, fitness centers, coffee shops, Starbucks, everybody, and we're just so thankful for y'all.
So, Coach, there's still time to donate, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ornaments, decorations,
Yes, ma'am.
toys. So we've got 2 weeks before the 20th
Yes, ma'am.
of December when the event happens.
Yes, ma'am. So we have about 15 days left before the actual event, and we are still looking for Christmas donations, decorations of any kind, to help make this experience for every child in this club a magical experience and very impactful moment for them in their lives. And we also were recipients of over 100 bikes yesterday from Jeff Hunt and Associates Dune Realty's group. And we're just so grateful for Mr. Jeff and the continued blessings that he pours into the community for every child. And we're just so grateful for y'all.
So, Coach, what exactly happens on the 20th? So what time do we open and children and their parents come in?
So the actual event is Saturday, December the 20th. We'll start promptly at 10 a.m. The first 3 hours will be for our actual club members who attend regularly here at Boys and Girls Club of Hilton Head. And then in the final hour from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock will be for local kids in our surrounding area and community, local community area here. So.
And they pick out gifts according to their age group, and it'll be all organized that way, right?
Over the next 2 weeks, we'll have volunteers and staff come in, and they'll be working around the clock to make sure that this is a magical experience for all of the kids in the community and our local and our actual kids who attend here regularly. And they'll be decorating, and we'll have Christmas music. It's just going to be an amazing event, and we're so thankful to serve so many kids and parents and everybody in the community.
Well, thank you so much for your service to the community.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
again,
Thank
December 20th, there's still time to give if you would like to donate. Just bring it over here to the Boys and Girls Club of Hilton Head.
And like Ms. Robyn said, we still have time to donate. So if you want to, anything is perfectly fine. Just please let us know. My phone number is 843-540-5437. And we're here all the time, 5 days a week at Boys and Girls Club of Hilton Head.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank
Appreciate it. Happy holidays
Same to you. Thank you.
And that's a wrap for this edition of the WHHI Daily News. I'm Robyn Zimmerman. Thank you all so much for watching. I want to thank the team behind the scenes that make our newscasts possible. Stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.